How to add a subpage to Wix Main Menu. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a subpage to your menu or the main navigation of your specific Wix website. So it is going to be very easy and simple. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account. Then we are going to select the website that we want to begin the procedure with. So once you have clicked on that website, you're going to be on the setup page normally, or the home page of it. Click on design site and wait for a few seconds until you are going to find the website editor loaded. Now, in my website, we do not have the main menu here, but basically we have another menu. So I'm going to add a menu. So we're going to select the menu from here. Horizontal menus. I'm going to select this and attach it to our section here. Now, as you can see, it is going to be a very large menu. So we're going to make it a little bit smaller. Not smaller, but wider. So it is going to be only on one page. Now we're going to head over the pages and menus. From here, we're going to see that we have pages and subpages. So these subpages are going to be here. So how we can add a subpage? Basically, we can add, for example, an item like a dynamic page, store page, whatever. From here, links, dynamic pages, sections, or anchors. And we can go ahead and put them as a subpages. So let's say that we're going to, or we want to have the members page as a sub menu for, let's see here, the beverages. Maybe we're going to put it under food. So we can go ahead and put it here. So basically it is going to be right there. So it has moved from here. We have selected this page by accident. I didn't want to select this page precisely, but I'm going to show you here only the demonstration. So it is going to be here. So I'm going to click on preview and we're going to add it or see it in the main menu. So food, and on the food we have members. So this is how you can go ahead and add a sub page to the specific main menu in here. And if you want to make a sub page as a page, you can go ahead and do it by removing it from here, from the sub pages, and put it as a standard page, and it is going to be showing up here as a standard page. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.